Some business owners in Memphis are bundling up and braving the conditions to give customers options for warm meals this week. Our Braille Brown spoke with the owner of Mitchell's Breakfast Burrito, who says although he hasn't seen a customer yet, he wants to be available just in case someone needs a warm meal.
Thanks for calling Mitchell's. Rob speaking. How can I help you? Yes, we are open. Come on down.
While majority of businesses on South Main Street remain quiet, Robert Mitchell, the owner of Mitchell's Breakfast Burritos, has his fryers going and grill ready to serve any customer who walks through his door in need of a hot meal amid the freezing temperatures.
I just wanted to be available. I didn't want people to come down here and pull on the door and it not be open.
While Mitchell says he hasn't seen a dime since the snowstorm began, he has prepared his restaurant's pipes and building in case a customer places an order.
They keep the heat on so that, the rest of the pipes in the building stay warm. So, I mean, yeah, we're taking that precaution because you don't want, to walk in and then have water all over the floor because the pipes have burst.
Since the snow began to pile, he believes his presence on the downtown street has helped him keep his eye on a vulnerable population.
If the homeless walk by and they're cold and looking cold, I might let them come in and sit down and warm up.
But Mitchell did not just prepare the restaurant's pipes. He also prepared how to get back and forth from the restaurant, renting a vehicle that could handle the wintry terrain.
I have televisions here, I have food here. So what's the difference between sitting here and sitting at home?
With more than 20 menu items, including vegetarian options, he wants Memphians to know feeding the city is always on the menu.
I have a personal favorite, but you get to choose what your favorite is.
Mitchell's is open Tuesday to Saturday from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Reporting for your news leader, Braille Brown, WRUG News Channel 3.